Hello everyone, my name is Jeremiah Alisa, and I'll be talking about how to make your code readable, how to structure your project, and this video is for web designers only, and you can just learn a few things from it if you're not a web designer. So let's start. I'll finish this straight. Okay, a browser is open, so I go to my system. I come to my system anywhere I want my folder to be. Okay, let me just make it on the desktop and do a new folder. Okay, new folder. I name it, let me say, my website. Okay, let me just my screen there. Okay. Okay. As you can see, nothing is there. So I'm going to right click on it and say open with code. My text editor is Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's opening. So yeah, okay, pause. Once it's open, you'll see something like this. So let me just show you, for if you're not using Visual Studio Code, how you can do this. Okay, so you go here, click on your the project folder, right click, press new, text document, Control A, index.html. So people normally start their websites like this, index.html. What does it really mean? Index.html, this is your own page, because when you start hosting websites, your server is going to look for a web page called index.html. Some servers also look for home.html, but mostly what I've seen is index.html. So you can just basically, so let me just open my Sublime Text here. Okay, my Sublime Text is open. Let me remove this. Okay, so you can see I have other folders here. So I'm just going to go to where I created my project folder. As of now, it is an empty folder, so I just open and drop. So it's loading. Okay, loaded. So you see, nothing in my index.html. So let me just do HTML. Bam. That's if you are not using Visual Studio Code. So let me just do this back and close my Sublime Text. So yeah, is my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now I'm just going to type HTML and I pressed Ctrl space. Wow, what's happening? Okay, so let me just do HT. Okay, HTML5. Then yeah, give us basic HTML template. So if you are watching this, I expect you are not a beginner. You should have known some of these things you are seeing on the screen. So now you see, making your code visible and readable, those are things you would like to do, because if you're somebody like me that writes code once in a while, or seasonally, there's a tendency you forget some of the things you wrote, and reading it over and over again is going to be stressful if your code is not written properly. Now, this is like having a good handwriting in programming. So, once you see a tag like this, yeah, you see opening and closing body tag. Inside it, you don't just do something like this. Paragraph, div, and come and do again. P tab, picture, something like this. You don't just, this code is not readable. So what you do is this. Let's do H1 hello world. So let me just go and open it in my browser. Okay, so it's opened like this, and you can see here our documents. Okay, so now structuring your folder. Okay, now you do style. You see, I'm using a kind of extension that makes that changes the default icons of Visual Studio Code. So this is the convention for your style folder. So let me still put it here. Make a new one. Image, which is short for img. Let me see if it has normal image. Okay, img or image, and do a new one. JS. Let me do script. Okay, well, we're not using any scripts. Okay, so okay, this is how you structure your folder. Let me create a CSS file and name it style.css, and let's do H1. Background color, okay, violet. Did I use an HOA there? Oh, sorry, I non-link it. Style. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with me. It is okay. So it is okay. Let me just show you this arc. Okay, Visual Studio Code. Once you do something like this, CSS slash, and you press Y. Okay, I did. So it is style. See, you see this slash CSS. Okay, sorry, it's style.css. You see, let me make the background white. I'll be the color and tick white. You see? Okay, so that's basically it. Let me just rename this folder. I'll come here and press F2 and make it CSS. See the same thing and change it here. So that is all for structuring your folder. Okay, so if you want to just send it to somebody, just press this. Oh, okay, send to